Hello everyone, this is Susan with Organizing with Susan. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my catch-all classic planner, and I typically use the Farmhouse planner, but I'm going to be taking some of the Glam Girl pages, using those today, and then kind of franken-planning them into my planner. I'm also kind of simplify my sticker stash because I have a lot, and I'm going to be using this kit. I think I had from last year. It was from Two Little Bees. Had some cute little fall things. I'll be using that. And okay, we'll get started. Okay, I think that's what I'll do for the week. Just kind of a mixture of functional stickers with this little kit from Two Little Bees. As you can tell, I've still got a lot of stickers left. And the washi tape I used was a roll, an older roll from the Planner Society. So, okay, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.